Here we are in Sedona, and we're going to be hiking Huckabee Trail, and this is Danica's first trail, and she's ready with her bandana and her camelback and her Oreo cookies.
Hold your fingers like that. Yeah.
And she's ready to rock. All right, Danica, come on, walk.
Here, baby.
Go that way. Follow Kim. Go.
Vámonos. You're walking?
Boy, Danica, at that pace, we're going to be here forever.
Come on.
It's been a while since we've been in Sedona. It's gorgeous out. Nope, we're going, yep, we're going that way. Go. Follow Kim. Yeah, that's your water. Yep, you put that in your mouth. Like this. Mmm. Silly, come on.
She's trying to pose.
Come on, Danica. All right. We'll get back on video when we get to the bottom of the lake. Look on the ground. Don't look at Daddy, okay? Good job.
Careful.
I got a feeling she's gonna take her first spill right now.
She wants to do what you just did.
Doing! Yay!
Yay, Bella! Good job! Good
Man.
job! Brush it off. Here we go. Look, watch, watch, watch. Brush it off.
Daddy called it.
Around.
Daddy called it. Here we go.
It's okay. Look.
You were such a small little bum.
Look, 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 look. Look, it's okay.
All right, we're gonna have to calm her down first before we move on.
Ready?